Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox not loading on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you're trying to play Roblox, you're clicking on Roblox, but it's not loading. Here's what we can do. Now open up your settings here. Scroll down until we see Apps section. Once find it, tap on it, and you will be on this page where all of your installed apps are present. Here, you have to look for Roblox in this installed apps list. Once you found it, tap on and your Roblox app info page will open up. Here, scroll down and click on Storage option. On this page, you will see Clear Cache option at the bottom right of your screen. So you have to tap on this, and all of your apps cache will be cleared. But your data will be saved, so don't worry about it. It will still be logged into your account. And once this has been done here, if we try to open up Roblox, it should work normally, and hopefully this fixes your issue. So that's basically how you can fix the Roblox not loading on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.